In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe account in n8n. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to link your Stripe account so you can start automating tasks like creating customers, capturing payments, or pulling reports directly from your workflows. Even if you're new to n8n, don't worry, this will be clear and methodical. Start by opening n8n in your browser. If you're using n8n Cloud, sign into your workspace. If you're self-hosting, go to your instance URL. Create a new workflow so you're starting with a clean canvas where we'll add the Stripe connection. On the blank canvas, click Add First Step. In n8n, steps are called nodes, and each node performs a specific task or talks to a specific app. Adding the first node sets the stage for the data you want to move or the action you want to trigger. Type Stripe into the search bar and select the Stripe node. This is the official connector that lets n8n communicate with your Stripe account. Once you add it, you'll see configuration options appear on the right side for what you want Stripe to do. Choose the action that matches your goal. For example, you might list customers, retrieve a charge, or create a payment intent. Picking the action now helps n8n understand what permissions are needed and how to structure the request. In the credential to connect with field, open the drop-down. This is where n8n keeps secure connections to services. Since we're connecting Stripe for the first time, we'll set up a new credential so you can reuse it across future workflows. Click Create New Credential. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, such as Stripe Test or Stripe Live, depending on your environment. Keeping your naming consistent helps avoid mistakes when you switch between testing and production. Enter your Stripe secret key. You can find this in the Stripe dashboard under Developers, then API Keys. For safety, use a test key while you're building and only switch to a live key when you're ready for real transactions. Never share this key publicly and avoid pasting it into chats or screenshots. If possible, consider using a restricted key with only the permissions your workflow needs. When you're ready, click Save. n8n will securely store the credential and link it to the Stripe node. You should now see your credential selected, and from here you can continue configuring your action and build the rest of your workflow with confidence. That's it. You've connected your Stripe account in n8n. You can now reuse this credential in any workflow to automate your Stripe operations securely and efficiently.